Welcome to Learn and Practice video tutorials. Learn to format tables, sort tables, and apply filters to tables. Disclaimer. This video is aimed at CAT learners who need to keep up with school work during COVID-19 crisis. It is not as polished as I would like it to be, nor is the sound great. Perhaps if it is found to be useful I will improve it in the future. Tips for using. Do it with the video, pause when you need to, slow it down or speed it up with the playback speed. See tips for using videos for lessons.mp4. Double-click the rugby table. Formatting tables involves order of columns, width of columns, height of rows, alignment, and colors. To change order, click and drag the column heading. Click on surname, keep the left button down, and drag. Click on birthday, keep the left button down, and drag. Make the column wider. Click and drag border line of the header. Note that the mouse pointer changes as it gets over the border line. Make a different column wider. To change the height of the row, click and drag the border of the row header. To select the whole column, click the header of the column. Text alignment can make the table easier to read. Click the center button. Click name. Click center. Click surname. Click center. You can also use all the other alignment buttons. The tables are formatted to help you see the records. We can change the color of this formatting. Click the alternate row color. Click blue, accent 1. The lines between the records and the fields are known as grid lines. Click grid lines. Select grid lines, horizontal. Note that you can no longer see the vertical lines between the columns. Click grid lines. Click none. Note there are no longer lines between columns or rows. Click the alternate row color drop-down grid button. Click more colors. If you know the RGB values for a color you can create it here. Click standard. Click a hexagon of color. Click OK. Click datasheet formatting. Here you can change the cell effect, color of both lines and the grid line settings. Click background color down arrow. Click green accent 6 lighter 80%. Click alternative background color down arrow button. Click green accent 6, lighter 40%. Click down arrow. Click green, accent 6, darker 50%. Click raised. Feel free to try the other settings and color combinations. Click OK. In real life, if you don't like your color combination, you simply go and change them. In a test, you simply follow instructions. I don't like this color combination, so I'm going to change it. More contrast makes it easier to read. Up until now it was simply about how the datasheet view looked. We are now going to learn how to change how we see the data, the order and which records we see. Changing the order of the records is called sorting. Let's sort by name. Click name. Click Sort A to Z. This is ascending order. Click Position. Click Ascending. This will sort by the column you have selected. Note the order of the records change. Click Birthday. Click Descending. This puts the more recent dates at the top. Click Fan Rating. Click Ascending. This will put the smallest number at the top. We can hide some records, and only show others. This is called filtering the data. Click the down arrow button. Here you have a list of all the values that are in this column. The tick says it will show. When you click Select All, you take away the tick, which means you saying don't show. If we left it like this, the table will display an empty table. By clicking Fullback, we are putting the tick next to it, and then it will show all records which have fullback in the position field. Click OK. The toggle filter button switched between having the filter on and having the filter off. Click. Click Birthday. But these filters are about exact values. I can't use this to show all the June birthdays. I have to manually find the days in June. Click 15 June 1985. There should now be 2 ticks. If there were multiple records with June 15, 1985, they would all show. Note the filter icon in the column heading is showing that this column has a filter on. You can add other filters and sorting onto this filter. Click Surname. Click down arrow button. Click Select All. Click Khaleesi. Click OK. Be aware, if you create a filter on already filtered data, it adds to the filter, it does not reset it. This is important to remember when you do a test and there are multiple questions. Click the toggle button between each question. Click Surname. Click Selection. Selection gives you more options, filtering on ranges. Selection picks up the value from the cell you are currently in, or the first cell in the column. Click Does Not Contain LU. Shows all the records which does not have that in the field, or part of that field. Click Toggle Filter. Reset the data, show all records. Click 15 June 1985. Click Selection. Click on or before June 15, 1985. One record is on or before June 15, 1985. Click Toggle Filter to reset. Click Selection. Click Between. Let's have a look at all those who was born in 1991. Click on the calendar icon. This is this month's calendar. You can use the arrows to get to the right start date. Or click on a current date. I select a date so that I can see the format it is in. Click on the date and edit it to the date you want. Click Oldest, edit it to January 1, 1991. Click Newest. Type December 31, 1991. Click OK. See all those that were born in 1991. Click Toggle Filter. Click and drag to select just the F. Click Selection. Now we can look at all those that have a name that starts with F. Click Begins with F. Click X. Any changes to the layout, format, or filters will require you to save in order to keep them. Click Yes. If you have found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Or leave a positive comment in Google Classroom, smiley face.